Hi, welcome to our first vlog. We are ghspa&electrical services. We're based down on the south coast. We cover the whole of West Sussex, South Hampshire and parts of Surrey. We do everything from hot tub repairs to servicing to supplying new hot tubs, relocation and much more. We're also domestic electrical installers with NAPIT. So we can take care of all your domestic electrical needs, whether that's related to hot tub or just your house in general. Yeah, thought we'd put a little video together of a day in life of what we do. We might not show too much electrical work, being as there's a lot of people out there doing this already. So we thought we'd try and do something different and show a little bit of hot tub repairs. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. So today we are working on this hydro pool. Yeah, we're not quite sure what happened, but the customer was away. Came back and it wasn't working. The pump seems to have gone and blown the spark pack as well. So we're going to change it all for new stuff. At the moment we've just got fresh water running in our bag and draining the old water out because it's been sat there since January. So we can change it. So yeah, that's today's job. Right, that's all the old stuff out, already cleaned up in there. We're going for a slightly more modern system, the IN-Y-E5. Comes a complete pack, bezel and everything, because it's unlicensed as well, so everything should work with this tub. Yeah, let's get it fitted.
One eternity later.
Right, it's going pretty well. We've got the pump in, the pack in, all the unions done up, all new gaskets. So I'm going to get it wired in. That's filling up nicely, so we can start getting some water in it in a minute as well. Make sure it's all watertight, and then get the top side fitted. And yeah, so far so good. Right, here we go. Get some water in it now. So it all needs a bit of tidy up in a sec. Sort that out. Yeah, watering it in, and then we've got the hose going through. Hopefully, and get any airlocks. Right, we have success. Hot tub's running. And temperature. It's all set up for this tub. It's a one pump system. It's a 2-speed pump, heater, box. Yeah, I've got to get a converter for that. Stick that in so it's all neat and tidy. But yeah, pretty much job done. There you have it, all done. Nice bezel, finish on the top side to get rid of that roughness and bits of the hole. The hot tub has been running now since Monday afternoon, Friday. Customers putting no issues. Happy with this job. Yeah, great. Thank you for watching.